2024년 4월 6일 오전 4시 58분 순찰 중 교차로에서 신호대기 중인 회색 람보르기니 차량 운전자가 잠들어 있는 것을 확인하고 교통 검문을 실시했습니다.
We're requesting a third unit on occupants. (1527) southbound to Honda from Riverside. Southbound to Honda approaching Moore Park at 37.
How's it going, sir?
How's it going, man?
Good, good, good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? And registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah?
1527 southbound to Honda approaching Ventura.
Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh?
1527 southbound Ventura approaching Honda.
The one you were asleep at the light. I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you, man. You were asleep at the light. You're visiting out here? Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Alright. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
Your friend's house? Alright, just hang tight for me.
차량으로 돌아온 경찰관이 조회한 결과 차량의 운전자는 엘리엇 두건으로 확인되었습니다. 두건은 중범죄 영장이 발부된 상태였고 람보르기니 차량은 도난 신고된 상태였습니다.
We're just gonna... Hey, Hey, sir? Can you do me a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just gave you my license.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay?
I just gave it to you. I know.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. Sir?
I'm not from out here.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me.
I gave you my license, man.
You gave me a different thing. What is that one?
My license.
That's your license? Can I see that one?
I did.
Okay, let me see that one. Okay. Regardless, I need you to step out of the car.
But you have my license.
Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now.
What did I do, sir?
I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me.
Hey, you're back here, supervisor. You want us to run away? You're responding. Respond west side only.
You're being detained.
Out of 37 people.
We have the right to pull anyone out of the vehicle because I understand that.
What did I do, though, sir? You didn't tell me. That's in the law.
Sir,
You have to tell me why. I need my license.
You're responding to your want
Sir.
us to run away. Vehicle is a two-door Lamborghini with
I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the
I
vehicle.
don't have to be out the vehicle. You have to tell me first, sir. That's your law. I know. I know law.
Okay. I understand that, and I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'll have to stay out the vehicle first.
You're on time. Respond.
First.
Sir,
And also, Roger.
I understand that, and I do too.
Sir, I know the law.
I need you to come out of the vehicle, okay?
I know the law. I need my license.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
So you told me I know the law.
Okay, I know the law as well. Look, we're going to go back and forth this. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
This was a regular traffic stop and then it turned into something else.
What is it?
This vehicle is stolen. I need you to come out of the car. This
No,
vehicle that you're
no.
driving is stolen.
No, I'm not. I rented this vehicle, sir.
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I rented this vehicle.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle in the
Responding to your
meantime.
want us to run away. 1080.
It is stolen.
Hey,
Hey, stop!
So on at Sherman Way, 1083, requesting the unit code 100, 1 west of Yolanda with the spike strips.
Where's he going?
Located.
1047 pursuit, stolen vehicle. It's going. Venus crash, ETC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and went on the.
Frequency is standby, 1047 is in pursuit, 1037.
He's got me inside this mess.
Let me have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd, major TC damage. Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way. I can't tell, dude. Oh, wait. No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car. Start looking. Hey, did you guys see anyone run? Did you see anyone run?
I didn't see nobody run. It's because we were just inside.
Alright, cool.
Hey, we heard everything.
Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
1070, Roger.
I don't.
1083, verify suspect in custody.
83 negative, he wasn't inside the vehicle.
Hey, I need you folks stay over there. Stay over there. No.
Hey, Roger. We don't have suspect location or direction of travel yet.
Okay, Roger. We'll take it,
Hey, did I find them?
and,
Oh,
one out for Sherman
충돌 후 차량에서 내려 주변을 수색하던 중 멀리 떨어진 장소에서 두 건을 발견했고 소방국을 호출했습니다. 이후 출동한 대원에 의해 사망 선고를 했습니다. 이 사건으로 도난된 람보르기니 차량이 두 개의 형체로 분리됐고 충돌 파편으로 도로에 주차돼 있던 차량 여러 대가 파손되었습니다. LAPD 충돌조사팀이 사고를 조사합니다. 추적 조사도 진행되며 법률 및 부서 정책을 준수하였는지 검토됩니다. 목격자의 진술을 확보하고 법의학적 테스트를 진행합니다.